Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, another topic. May we get your response to the remarks made by former Executive Secretary Bersamin that he did not resign, contrary to your statement last Monday that he quit from his post out of delikadesa. Ma'am, what was the basis of your announcement po nung Monday, kung meron pong ganitong denial on his part?
Unang-una po, mayroon muna tayong babasahin para po sa tinuran po ng ating mahal na si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. The Palace acknowledges former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin's clarification regarding the manner of his transition. As he himself stated in his interview, he submitted himself to the President's discretion and prerogative as part of the ongoing reorganization. The Palace announcement was issued in line with this understanding and with due regard for stability and continuity in governance. At nagkausap naman po sila ng Pangulo face-to-face at let us just leave it at that.
Ma'am, E.S. Bersamin admitted that he felt bad doon po sa naging announcement. And na-mention po niya na on the morning po ng Monday, meron pong tumawag sa kanya, a close friend of his, and hindi raw po ito taga palasyo, asking him to exit the cabinet. May we know po, ma'am, kung meron kayong information, given na kayo po yung nag-announce nung resignation, kung tungkol saan po yung naging phone call na to, or sino po kaya yung kausap ni ES?
Wala po tayo. Hindi po tayo privy sa kanilang usapan. Kung sino man po yung sinasabi niyang kaibigan na nakausap niya. Wala po tayong kinalaman doon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Follow-up question, Alexis Romero, Philippine Star.
Yusek, former ES Bersamin said, masarap lang daw pakinggan yung delikadesa, pero hindi naman daw ganun yung nangyari, no? Do we still stand by our statement that he resigned out of delikadesa?
Muli po, ang pina-announce po sa atin ay galing sa palasyo at kung ano po naramdaman ni ES Bersamin, yun din po na ginagalang po natin ang kanyang nararamdaman. At kung ano po ang sinabi lamang ng po ng palasyo, yun lamang po ang ating in-announce.